Hello dear student, I am Nishan from LPM school. In this video, we will talk about the versatile nature of carbon. Versatile nature of carbon. In previous video, we have already seen the carbon have tetravalent atoms which combine with 4 different atoms and complete their octet and form and interact with different types of atoms, and that's why it complete their octet. And in which way it form various types of compound, and on this basis we have observed the two properties. First is one of the most important phenomena, which is catenation. Catenation is a process through which carbon have a unique ability to add or make a bond or to bond with another carbon atom. It's called catenation, and it formed through this process carbon form larger molecule. For example, if you see the structure of C4 and H10, which is, if you draw the structure, so it is carbon, it is oxygen, it is a carbon, and it is a carbon. Here is hydrogen, here is also hydrogen, and it is a hydrogen. So we have seen in this formula of this compound, which is 4 carbon are involved and 8 hydrogen are combined in such a way which complete the valency of these 4 electron atoms. Four electron atom. So here is this process is called as catenation, because the carbon make a bond between another carbon atom. Like here, this carbon atom, if you make a number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it make a larger molecule. In this way, this non-metal carbon, with the help of this catenation process, it make a larger molecule. If you take the example of graphite, diamond, these are the electrons of carbon through which this phenomenon it form the more different types of compound, which is also is very hardest substance as in compared to the instead of metals, which is graphite and diamond. Since the versatile nature of carbon, the second point is as we know that the carbon have tetravalent atom because its valency in the outermost cell it have 4 electron. The valency will be tetravalent and it combined with different types of atoms, which is monovalent or another atoms which is metal non-metal. So it may be bond with nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine, and sulfur, etc. So these all non-metals combine with carbon and form different types of compound. Let's see the example of these. Atoms. So, if you take the example of carbon and oxygen, and oxygen. So it will be bonded by the carbon and bond with oxygen. So it will be bonded at here is 4 electron of carbon, but here there is 6 electron of oxygen and 6 electron of oxygen, and the 2 electrons are participates during the bond formation. The octet of carbon is get completed, and also the octet of oxygen get completed. Here is also oxygen octet get completed, and if you see the formula of CCl4, which is and carbon tetrachloride. So carbon tetrachloride. So in central carbon and here is a chlorine, here is a chlorine, here is a chlorine, and here is a chlorine. So, as you know that in outermost of electron in chlorine, which is 7, and here is a 7th electron. Here is 7th electron. Here is 7th electron. Now the carbon share the electron to make a bonding between them, and octet get completed. Here is and also get completed. Here is now the it is the formula of carbon tetrafluoride. And now Cu. Now another example of carbon and its compound, which is now combine with hydrogen. Example is C2H6. So carbon in the center and it is combined with hydrogen and it combined with hydrogen. So here is and also carbon. Here is a carbon electron and here is a hydrogen. Here is a hydrogen. So octet get completed. And it's also octet get completed now. And this carbon also completed their active octet, and this hydrogen completed. This hydrogen is also completed. So another example of which is S2 Cu3. So here is in center is a carbon, here 2 double bond, and here is oxygen and this is hydrogen. Here is the oxygen, here is the hydrogen, and here is double bond, 6 electron, and here is double bond of carbon, single electron, carbon electron, there is a 4 electron, and 1 electron of oxygen and 1 electron of oxygen, 2, 4, and 1 electron of oxygen and 1 electron of oxygen, and here is 1 electron of hydrogen, 1 electron of hydrogen. So in S2 CO3, S2 CO3 CO3, it will be as carbon get completed, it is a lone pair of oxygen. The carbon 2 to 4 to 6 to 8, here is a completing of 8 electron of octet, which is 2 to 4 to 6 to 8, and octet of octet 2 to to 4, 2 to 4 to 6, 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. So it is a oxygen octet get completed. 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. This oxygen get completed their octet. Here is a and 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. Here is a and here is oxygen complete their duplet. Oxygen complete their duplet. So in this way, the formula H2CO3, the carbon make different types of compound in such a manner and make different types of compound into our surrounding, and this is the versatile nature of the carbon. So the remaining part we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.